Hey guys, quick demo here at the Tapo Smart Wi-Fi light bulb. I have different devices that I can use just to control it. You see, for example, I have this smart remote dimmer switch, and also here a smart motion sensor, my cell phone with the Tapo app, and even an Echo Dot. Let me just show here, for example, with this device, I can just come here. You see that I have it working back there, right? And I can come here, press once to turn it off, press again to turn it on, and then I can control the intensity, just turning the knob here and double click to change to random colors. So different ways to control with this one. And then here I have also this sensor. So when I move my hand in front of the sensor, it changes there to blue color, right? So I just have some smart actions working like this. I can just come here to my cell phone and set up everything. And from the cell phone as well, I can just control everything like the intensity and the colors as well. Can just keep changing colors here. Super easy, all right? And then I can also, of course, use here my friend and ask her, Alexa, turn off the smart light.
Alrighty then.
Alexa, turn on the smart light and change it to red.
Alright, smart lights on in red.
There we go. So basically working. It's super simple. I can just come here and create some smart actions. As long as I have different devices here that are from Tapo, they're going to work with this Tapo Smart Wi-Fi light bulb, okay? And you can get everything on Amazon. I'll leave the link here in the description. So please leave your comments, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.